For question 5, I'm essentially asking you to repeat the analysis from question 4, but this time with one of the other products. So I could have asked you to do all of them, but in the interest of saving a little bit of time, I'm just asking you to do one more. And so let's take one example here. Let's go with SharePoint, for example. So I need to see which one is SharePoint here. I'll go back to the data. Looks like SharePoint is the ones for D, question D. And I've also done all of the recoding here. And if you forgot to do that when you came back to this question, then you might have gotten the wrong answer here. So I'm going to say analyze multivariate methods, multivariate. I'm going to get all the D's here, put them in just like we did before, click on OK, and then I can click on pairwise correlations, and I can see that similar to the first answer that I got here, the more times we, well, let's just sort in descending order by correlation. So I'll just say sort by column, and then I'll say correlation. Automatically the default is descending. So it says these first 3 are significant. So the more we have interactions we have about SharePoint, the more value of the information we receive. The more times we seek information, the more knowledge we get. The more times we seek information, the more value. So very similar results to what we just got in question 3. And so I would reach the conclusion in this case that there is no difference. In other words, this was question 5. And say that we would reject the null hypothesis for those 3 instances, and we would say that it does not change our view of the outsourcing question.